Hello there, today I will show you how you can upload HTML5 banner ad to your website. I will show you how you can display all banner ad on one page and send it to your clients, or you can set it as a portfolio. If you want to learn HTML5 banner ad designing, please visit my channel and watch step-by-step tutorials to design HTML5 banner ads. Please do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and colleagues. Without any further delay, let's get started this tutorial. Once you have created all the banner ads, you have to create separate folder for each banner. These are the 4 banners I will upload to my website hamiddesigner.com. So first of all, I will zip this. I'll choose this zip option and I'll name this banner ad. Okay. After this, I will go to my web hosting panel. Log into your hosting panel, whatever your hosting provider is, and choose this file option, file manager. Click on this one. This cPanel window will open, so you will click on public HTML, and this directory contains your WordPress files, so please don't change any file in this folder. Now for the banners, for the HTML banners, I will create new folder here. I will name this HTML5 banners. I'll copy this folder name, create. Once created, here I will upload the zip file which I have created for my banners. Once this zip file is uploaded, you can unzip this one. I will choose this unarchive option and I will name this banner. Now I will delete this zip file. Double click on this one. I will choose all these folders and I will move these files to the parent directory inside this HTML5 banners. So I will choose this parent directory and move. Now I will remove this banners folders here from here. Now I will copy this folders here. I will go to hamiddesigner.com, my website car, and I will choose this name, large rectangle .html. Okay, so now this banner is on my website hamiddesigner.com. For all other banners, I will open in new tabs like this one. And here I will type index.html. This one. And designers. I will copy this one. I will change here designers. And same for this fast food. Okay. Here I will name fast food. So now all our banners are on my website, so I will embed them to my WordPress page like this one. I will go to my WordPress dashboard. From my WordPress dashboard I will go to pages, all pages, and here I will create new page, add new. Here I will add the page title. Here I will HTML5 banner ads. Okay, after this heading I will add one block here. Here I will add one separator. After that I will add these columns, and I will skip this one. Okay, so I will add 4 blocks here. Okay, in the first block I will add block, and here I will search for HTML, custom HTML. Within this right HTML I will paste this iframe code here. This one I will upload this to my website. You will be able to download and use it. This one is simple iframe HTML code. I will copy this tag and paste it here. Okay, for the first banner I want to add, this one will be 336 by 280. This one width, height, and here I will copy the link, move this one. I will choose this. I will copy this link, Control C, and here I will paste it. Okay, after that I will click on this plus icon and add one more custom HTML. Okay, I will copy the same. This one will be this designer banner, and I will replace this one. Okay, here I will add half page ad. I will add custom HTML. I will copy the same code, paste it, and this one will be 300 by 600 with 300 600, and I will replace this link. This one will be this car ad here, and after that I will add one more column here, and here same code, this one HTML code, and this one will be fast food banner. Simply I will replace this one with my existing banner link. Okay, I will publish this one. I will click on this view page, and here are the old banners on my website. These are live. You can upload your HTML5 banner ad and share it with your clients, or you can show it as a portfolio like this. These are all clickable, and these will go like whatever link is behind this. So guys, if you want to learn how to create HTML5 banner ad, please visit my channel. I have uploaded all the design tutorials for these banners on my channel. You can visit my channel and you will be able to create your own HTML5 banner ad and upload to your WordPress website and share it with your clients, or you can sell your services online as a freelancer. Alright, so guys, do let me know in the comments how you find this tutorial. Please mention in the comments if you need any help. I will try my best to answer your questions and queries. Please do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and colleagues. And once again, thank you very much for your time and have a great day.